Here we have this weather. Here in Shelton, Nebraska. Look at it. It's coming down so hard. What a messed up day. I'm gonna fall on my butt going in the house. Look at my car. It's covered in snow. Come on, lady. Hurry up. Come on. The dog is like, what the hell is this shit? Wow, she says, wow. Look at my poor car. It was all cleaned off 5 minutes ago. They left the freaking lights on. There it is. A beautiful day.